What do you call a dog that can do magic? A labracadabra dog. My name is Tobias and I work as a strategy consultant here at Ørsted. If I had to give advice to my student self, I would say, firstly, cut yourself some slack. It's called a master thesis, not a masterpiece. And secondly, invest in good relationships and understand how to maintain them. Thirdly, surround yourself with passionate and smart people. They will make you excel beyond what you thought was possible. Professionally, I would say, get things done. Obtain an ability to go out and execute on the tasks that are ahead of you. You will need it in order to grow and gain experience. Secondly, shape your own opinions. Do not necessarily wait for others to tell you what to do. You will need it especially as you grow in your career. And thirdly, choose your boss, not necessarily your job. A good boss will provide you with the opportunities you need to grow.